Here at SunEnergy, we make it easy for Aussies like you to go solar, saving you money and giving your family a brighter future. It's no secret that nature's forces are getting more extreme. We all want to do our bit, but where do you start? Renewable energy can help, offsetting rising power bills while reducing your carbon footprint. But not everyone can afford the upfront cost of installing a solar system. Finding your way through the maze of options can be a nightmare. This is where SunEnergy shines. Our high-quality, affordable, smart home solar solutions help reduce your carbon footprint sooner by allowing you to use what you save on your energy bill to pay for your system over time. Effectively, you can get a smart home solar system fully installed by one of our Clean Energy Council Accredited technicians, often for less than what you'd currently spend for your power, with no deposit needed. And with warranties up to 25 years, you can trust us to do the right thing by you, now and into the future. Known for our professional service, industry-leading systems and painless installation process, SunEnergy brings you energy you can feel good about. Call SunEnergy and solar power your future today.